show you what it's like to get the basics taken care of at Georgetown. Things like throwing your trash out, going food shopping, and getting fuel. This is the Victoria Pond, the dinghy dock.
Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria. So anyways, we're going to throw trash out. We've got tons of trash in a contractor's bag and some oil. So you throw it in this truck. They have a window open a little bit. And you slip the money in. So it's big bags are $5, small bags for 1 gallon of oil is $2, a battery is $5. And here's our money. Just slide it in.
Now we go to the grocery store. Island Boy Cafe. Thank you, sir. Yep.
Looks like they just
got a shipment in, saying not quite.
Do you want any potatoes?
You want onions? Do we need a bag of onions?
We still have about 5 or 6 onions.
We better get a bag of those. Yeah, potatoes. I don't know how much they are, but. Idaho.
It's already heavy.
We got here a little bit before they stocked. Huh. Peppers are good.
Right now, that's what they have, and the prices. Prices are high. Asparagus is $12.99. Zucchini is a good price. Cabbage is a good price. So it's pretty well stocked with lots of canned things, spices. You can get, let's see, tuna fish, actually reasonable price for tuna fish, chicken, good prices for those. You can get salmon, lots of rice, although these shelves are a little empty. Pastas, sauces, cans of tomatoes and stuff. And it looks like a truck came in, so there is a lot here. But they're still stocking the produce. I'm looking for lots of flowers, so you can get a lot of the basics. They have, this is what they have for milk. So I do coconut milk. I do not see that anymore. They do have, oh yeah, wait a minute. They do have coconut milk. Probably costs an arm and a leg up there. $7 or $8. But they have it. Huh. It's probably not exactly. They have regular milk. They have eggs. We just got eggs. And they were actually a decent price compared to, I think it was $3.89 for a large. They said, this is what I was told, that when you go into the Dominican, if you give them cold soda, they'll be your best friend. We're gonna try it. We'll go buy some soda and make it cold. So when we do go in there, it'll be easier. We were looking at, we'll probably get some of this chicken. What were we looking at? We were looking at some meat and it was like $300. It was, that meat is gone. That $300 meat is gone.
Oh, is it? Somebody got it?
Well, that's good for them. And you can get water here. This is the water. And over there you go get the fuel. You carry your fuel cans up. So we're coming up to a farmer's market, and it looks like it's just a couple of tables of whatever. That white building over there is another grocery store. ShopRite. I don't know which one's better. But we thought we'd just come and see what this farmer's market is. So here we are getting the fuel, and they installed this pump with a super long handle and hose and whatever to get to your dinghy down there, which makes it easier, except we were on the wrong side of the dock. It's a crooked dock, and still had to take them out of the dinghy, but we didn't have to carry them all the way up here. And it was I think next time we'll come around here, and it was a lot cheaper here than it was at Staniel Key. And then you bring your gas. Are we in the way here? Then you bring your gas up to those tanks there to fill it. We're going to show you the Chat and Chill Beach. Now, when we were there 2 years ago, I never took any video. You didn't either. I just did a couple of pictures, and now this time I took video. There were not a lot of people like there were 2 years ago. It's a beautiful beach. There's plenty of shade, and it's a great gathering spot, but people aren't gathering there as much. So this is Chat and Chill. Last time I never did take video. People gather around. Some nights there's more, or days. Some nights there's less. And the rays usually kind of congregate over here, but they're all going that way instead. the rays come in, and they're always in search of food. And there were several of them, and what you do is you stand in the water and they just come up to you and slide over and touch you, and it feels like silk against your legs, feet, whatever. And 2 years ago when there was somebody there giving us pieces of conch, and you put it in between your toes and they come and they take it out of your toes.
Bite your toe off.
No, they don't. And they say they don't, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't do anything. Well, yeah, it did hurt. It wasn't them biting it off. It was as they swam over, their tail was a little like hurting. So
Well,
I'm not doing
tail
that
has
again.
little barbs on it.
Yeah, I said I'm not doing that one again. But anyways, if you don't give them the food and they touch your leg, feet, whatever, it's really soft, feathery, and feels like silk. An eel. Oh, there's 3. That's a big one. That's a huge one. Feathery. Feels like feathery. Not their tail though. Oh, is it? It's kind of cool. They're huge. Bigger than last time.
I wonder if this will freak my friend out. Aren't they cool?
Up here's 4 of them now. 5 of them. Because we're standing here. He usually cleans out the conch shells here, and this is where they feed them. Right in this spot.
Yes, look at that. It's trying to get. I wonder if I can get it. Oh my god. So cool.
Huh, isn't that cool?
I think we're food.
Well,
Do you have any comp? Do you have any comp?
no, what happens is
Got steak?
Yeah.
they come here because before we had when he was cleaning those out, he gives you a piece, you put it between your toes, and people stand here. And
That's what he's waiting for. Is the
right,
show.
but we don't have it, and they take it.
Stand with these people.
I know.
You do that with your phone?
It's in a case.
He thought you had food.
He's there for his close-up. Oh, look at these fish.
Yeah, there was a long, thin one before.
He's well trained. When we got married, we went on a trip and we went on a cruise. One of the stops was in Grand Cayman. And we went out to Stingray Island. And they hear the boat, they come. And the guy picks it up and he says, "You just got married, kiss the stingray, 7 years, good luck." That's what happens after 7 years and 1 day.
Here we go, Jane.
Swim with the fishes. Swim with the manta.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.